and ever poured sweat in a workout where each drop felt like it was cleansing every pore. That's the essence of extreme sweat workouts. The kind where your shirt might as well be a mop, soaking up every drop of determination and grit you pour out. It's the sweat that tells you something is being pushed beyond comfort. The um, kind you love to hate. We're talking burpees, hit, sprints, the works. Uh, these are workouts that don't just nudge you over your limits, but fling you across them. And imagine exercises that in 30 minutes torch up to 500 calories. Yeah, it's intense, and your inner couch potato won't stand a chance. But extreme sweat is all about embracing the challenge. Uh, Pain points, sure. Muscle soreness and struggling to keep up are real. Sprinting till you're gasping isn't fun especially when motivation dips. Um, Not everyone has time for elaborate routines, and balancing work, life, and sweat can be tough. Um, Throw in the intimidation factor, um, and it's clear why extreme workouts seem daunting. Um, Here's your step-by-step master plan. First, warm up. Spend 5 minutes doing dynamic stretches, lunges, and arm circles. And this primes your muscles for what's next. Then choose 3 exercises, say burpees, mountain climbers, and jump squats. Do each for 30 seconds with 10-second breaks. Repeat 5 times. Stretching after is crucial. Not only does it help wind down, but it also reduces muscle soreness significantly. Stretch every major muscle group, hold for 15 seconds each. Pro tip, foam rolling can enhance recovery by 30% more than static stretching alone. It's a short-term sacrifice for long-term gain. And that drink up. Hydration is so often neglected, but it's vital for peak performance. Aim to sit about 16, 20 ounces in the 2 hours leading up to your session. Post sweat, replenish lost fluids with a electrolyte drink or coconut water. Your body will thank you. Don't forget the power of music. Pumping tunes can increase your endurance by nearly 15%. Choose high tempo tracks that get you moving, and make sure your playlist keeps your energy soaring. It's your secret weapon against fatigue, transforming any grueling set into achievable feats of strength. Find a workout buddy. Studies show having an exercise partner can boost your consistency by a whopping 65%. Someone to share motivation with makes the session feel just a little less intimidating. Plus, accountability multiplies the chance of sticking with your routine. Consistency trumps intensity every time. And so don't jump right into 7 sessions a week. So start with 3 and gradually build up. Listen to your body. It'll tell you when it's too much. It's too much. It's so balance intensity with recovery to achieve a sustainable and enjoyable program. Consistency is your magic ingredient. Track your progress, whether it's an app or a journal. Document each session. Seeing how far you've come is a motivator like no other. Numbers tell the personal victory story that your memory may not recall. Celebrate each milestone. It's the dopamine kick you've earned. Adjust for Portland's indoors during rainy days, outdoors when it's sunny, and engaging with nature even through downpour is a game changer. And especially as the air cools, the blasts of wind might invigorate your efforts, possibly even pushing your endurance up by 12%. Remember, the sweat means you're alive, that you're pushing against life's inertia. And it's the proof that today's version of you is better than yesterday's. There's no victory sweeter than beating your own expectations, especially when it's measurable in tasteful beads of hard-earned sweat